How do you break through obstacles in your career? So we all have been through this. Somewhere down the line, as we start doing many things, we actually start getting tired, overwhelmed. Should I really do it? I don't feel like doing it. All of this. How do you solve that? Or sometimes you really want to do it and you know that it is the right thing for you to do it, but still you will not be able to break through this obstacle or resistance or the constraints. How do you do that? Let's discover that in this video. Hi, I'm Keerthan. Those of you who do not know me, I'm the author of the book Why Being Independent is Awesome and XMoney Secrets. I'm an entrepreneur as well as an educator. I have created this channel basically every week to come and add massive value in all the 5 areas of life, because I believe that it's 100% possible to have it all in your life. Let's make it happen. So let's get started. So when it comes to the career, how do you actually break through an obstacle? Because you need to understand, let's consider that you are here, okay, let's consider the point A, right, and you want to go as a path, you want to go to the place B, right, and let's consider this is the path, right, and in this path we know that, let's consider this is the path that you need to be going in order to reach to B, but let's consider along the journey you might be having certain constraints, right, which will actually avoid, like the speed at which you reach your destination, okay, the speed, the success, right, everything depends on, so speed of your success depends on how quickly you will actually solve the hurdles, obstacles and resistances that comes your way. How do we do this? What is that you should be doing in order to actually change this? So if you understand this, most of the time when you are going from place A to place B, for this speed, what comes as a inhibition or a barrier is 4 things. How many things? 4 things. I want you to write this down if you're watching this. Number 1, what do you think? I want you to just think, what could be the reason why you are not getting that promotion that you want in your career? What is that reason why you are not able to reach the amount of customers, if you are a business owner or if you are a startup founder? So what is that one thing which is stopping you from achieving as many people as possible in your career? Or what is that blockage that has happened within you in order to earn next level of income? What is these obstacles? Because it's very important when you are actually going through these kinds of learnings, it's very important to understand those obstacles, because it's not the path sometimes. Sometimes people will not be having clarity that where to go. They don't know what is the path. But sometimes people will be knowing, they are very skilled, okay, but still something stops them. And do you know what is that? Even though you are fully skilled, you know how to develop an app, you know how to develop a website, you know how to design everything, you know how to speak to the customers, or you know how to speak to your boss, you know how to actually build a team, but still something is not happening. You somewhere get stuck and you feel like not at all making it happen. What is it? And most of the time when people are skilled, what stops them is their mindset. It's the strength of your mindset and the strength of your emotional heart set. That plays a huge role, because what will happen is that you want to ask for a promotion, guess what comes in you? Either a guilt, a fear, a shame, a shyness, or something which is an emotional part of you that stops you, or as I told you, your limiting belief that what you think about yourself is stopping you. Oh, I'm not good enough, I'm not doing good enough things, it's not okay, right? All these things, the self-concept. So which means that the number 1 obstacle to reach from wherever you are to wherever you want to go, let's consider you have an impact of about 10,000 people. You want to make an impact to 50,000 people. What do you think would be coming in the way? Like, I know, like I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to do that, but fear comes in, doubt comes in, fear of rejection comes in, various different types of things. But basically if you see that, it's you. The obstacle between where you are now and where you want to go is you. And you have to understand, it's the thinking that you have to make it big, expansive. It's the small thinking that keeps you small. It's not anything else. It's your small thinking, it's your small emotions, like where you are feeling the negative emotions and just being stuck where you are. You have to expand yourself, grow yourself in thinking and in feeling. Then even when you are skilled, you will do it anyway. So this is very, very important to understand. So the place where you are, where you want to go, the first obstacle is you. The second one is goals. Sometimes we have wrong goals. So what will happen as we are moving in this journey, there are a lot of distractions. There are a lot of distractive paths that keeps coming, right? And those are there just to make sure that are you really serious enough to get it here. So many people, when they reach here, they be like, oh, this obstacle is too heavy for me to break through, let me take a diversion. And they change the goal, or they limit their goal, or they make their goal small. They will not go till there. Anyway, I reached till here and it's okay. This is the second reason. Like if you are in a position, let's consider you are actually a manager right now and you want to apply for the next role. Could be various different things like a director role or a VP role, or maybe even CEO role, or like CMO, or any roles. If you want to apply for the next level, you will be like, now this is becoming too hard for me. I don't think I can do that. I know I can build skills. All this keeps going in your head, and you put a barrier to yourself and you limit your goals to small level things, right? Many people actually do this, right? When they get married, when they get their kids, right? I have 2 kids to take care of, so I cannot do any more things. They had a goal of becoming something in their life, but suddenly kids happened in their life. They change their goal. They change their goal and limit themselves. And that is what is stopping you in your career, right? Changing your goal. So don't change your goal, right? Find a way to break through and get it. And that is very important. And the third reason why people have this obstacle, right? What are the obstacles that they go through? Is people. It's people. Because along the journey, you will meet lot of people. When you're going from here to there, lot of people. And you need to understand that career is also very important for you, and these people are supporting to you along the journey to becoming who you want to be. Otherwise, people can take you in different places. And it's very, very important that you understand that where you are or where you want to go, and you want people's support to grow there, not get yourself distracted in the process and losing yourself. This is very, very important. So you understand that right now, the number one obstacle for you where you are and where you want to go is you. Number second is you changing your goal, limiting your goals. When things doesn't happen, oh, I got a criticism, I got a rejection, I got this, I got that. Oh, let me be okay with where I am. Goal, limiting the goals, right? Or people comes and tells you, hey, you cannot do it, man. And they are very close to you. Could be your parents, could be your siblings, could be your partner, could be somebody who actually tells you, discourages you and say, I think we should do this, then that, and guess what? You forget. You forget your purpose, you forget your mission, you forget who you are, and then everything is gone, right? And this is very, very important that you understand you have a supportive environment and people and the right goals, and not getting into distractions and making it happen no matter what, right? So that is very, very important. And the fourth thing that actually stops, okay, most of the people is their action. What's the word? Action. They don't take enough action. It's very, very important, right? I take action, but that is not happening. Think about it. Like if you are actually into a career of, let's consider you are into a career of photography, right? If you are actually doing it as a commodity, then it will be an average career. But if you say, I'm going to take a massive action and I'm going to build a brand around it with massive, the word is massive action, then things are going to be different. These obstacles are going to be not a challenge for you, because the action that what you take is not good enough. Sometimes it just falls back. It requires a bigger action so that you break through any obstacles or resistance or constraints that comes in your way, and how fast you create an alignment with yourself how strong is that goal that you want to have, and how supportive these people are, and how massive actions yours is, determines the speed of your success. Many people are thinking like, I've been in this career for last 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 25 years, 30 years. It's not the years, it's not the time. I did not say time is an obstacle. Time is never an obstacle. You can change your life just in a day. In a day, the word is a day, all right? Or you can change it in a month's time or in a year's time. But the thing is that these four needs to be right. Number one is you, number two is goals. This goal, keep that right, keep it clear. Number three is people. Number four is action. Hope you got the value from this session, and if you have loved it, put that like button out there so that it will encourage me to bring in more massive value videos every single week, right? And also click on that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to the channel, because I'm loving this journey of creating this amazing value videos every single week and adding value to you so that you get more and more possibilities. And please do come back and share your comments, right? What are the different things? Like I watched this particular video, so this idea came in. That will give me and my team an encouragement to serve more to you. Look forward to see you in the next value video.